This is Matt from MGMT Boston. On this episode of The Lantern, we are at Mass Robotics today with Omar, the co-founder and CEO of Cleo Robotics. Omar, what are you and your team building?
We are building a solution that allows our government and commercial customers gain access to their most critical data. Think going underground into a tunnel deep in the bowels of a ship or high above a production floor looking at overhead piping and equipment. Incidentally, in these environments is where most of the big problems happen. That's these unseen places where failures, safety incidents, and issues start, shutdowns, that kind of thing. We're building a solution that combines a proprietary hardware solution with cutting-edge autonomy and AI to go into these environments, access the data that's very high fidelity from video, LiDAR, thermal data. We take that data, we process it with AI agents to provide the customer with really valuable insights to help prevent that shutdown before it becomes a big catastrophe.
Yeah, major safety upgrades, major visibility upgrades where just humans cannot go. So it's been a big year for you and your team. What has happened this year that you want to share with the community? And what are you excited about as we kind of look toward 2026?
So 2025 was a big year. We launched our DD1. We've been working on this for a few years. We validated its capabilities and the fact that it can do things that no other robotic system or human can do. We have more than 60 customers at this point. Going forward, it's a year of scaling for us. So that's scaling production. We're going from low batch production towards full scale production, so more automation, more robust supply chain to support that growth. And also a big thing for us is more autonomy, more AI. For us, AI is not a buzzword. It's really all about allowing our customers to see more, see better, and be able to make better, safer, faster decisions.
Yeah, and if I could hold this up for a second, like this is smaller than a watermelon. Maybe the human head would be a better apt description, but it can pretty much go anywhere if you can sort of see for scale. Now, it's been a few years building this startup. What have you learned building this company that you would pass back to other builders in Boston, other hard tech builders about what it takes to reach this level of scale?
Yeah, it's been almost about 6-7 years now. It's crazy, time flies. I think that the main thing is focus. There's always a new contract, a small grant. There's always something that seems exciting. And as a startup founder, you're getting pulled in 50 different directions. But I find that companies that are really successful are those who pick a few good ideas and relentlessly execute on those ideas.
Yeah, and last but not least, how can we help Cleo Robotics here in Boston grow, worldwide?
So Boston is the best place in the world to build a robotics company. It's a concentration of universities, of talent, of industry, and it's a place where solving a really hard problem is possible. You can take a really good idea and actually turn it into a product. I think that there's this sort of narrative out there that robotics is going to be replacing people, it's taking over the world. But there are some robotics companies like ours. What we do is we're actually making dangerous, dirty, dull jobs safer, easier, and more efficient. So I think it would be really helpful to highlight the fact that there are a lot of companies in Boston and elsewhere that are designing and building robots more thoughtfully and for the benefit of everyone. So highlighting that message, I think, would be helpful to Cleo and to the industry at large.
Yeah, thank you to Cleo for leading us into a better future. This is Matt from MGMT Boston. Omar, the co-founder and CEO of Cleo Robotics. Thanks for joining us.
Matt, great to be with you.